Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 14.6 and iOS 12.5.3. As we know, Checkra1n has released a new version which is 0.12.4. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bootable drive to run Checkra1n on Windows PC. So first, link is in description. You can download files from there. Here I have already downloaded, so I'm going to extract it. The password is nerdinvader. After extraction, you will see two files. This one is for iCloud bypass, and this folder contains ISO. Now run Rufus and plug in USB drive. After connecting USB drive, select nerdinvader ISO and click start. It will take a few minutes to create a bootable drive. Now restart your PC and boot it with USB. I'm on HP PC, boot key is F9. I'm gonna boot it with USB drive. It will take a few seconds to run Checkra1n. As you can see, we are on Checkra1n. If you are trying to jailbreak iOS 14.6, it will probably say that it is not supported. So all you have to do is go to options and check allow untested version. And if you are on iPhone 8 or iPhone X, you will have to check skip A11 BRP as well. After this, you can successfully jailbreak your iDevice. Now I'm going to show you how to go back to Windows. Select quit. Now type reboot and it will restart and will take you back to Windows. Let me know in comment section if anything goes wrong. Till then, make sure to subscribe my channel and peace out.